I'm getting ready to flatten this all up. I've set up this sanding belt. It's a 120 grit. I've just cut it open. It won't sit flat. I've tried to flat it. I've had weights on it overnight. It won't flatten. Oh, there we go. Now that covers that belt quite well. I'm going to wear a glove for this. Not normally. I'm just going to lightly up and down. Let's have a look. And you can see where it's rubbing. You don't have to put any pressure on, just let the weight do it. Keep checking it because it won't take long. I'm going to spin it around and try not to drop the thing. Even though I've got carpet on the floor, it's concrete. It's building up nicely now. Because that's riding up, as you see there, it's just taking, it's rubbing there. It's going to rub at the front, give you a difference, but that doesn't matter. As you can see, I'm varying where I go on the belt. I can't guarantee that's absolutely flat. That's why I've got this sheet down. Just helps take out any roughness. But I only have that piece, so you can never guarantee that they're going to be the same thickness between sheets, so I've just put one down. I do have two surface plates. I've got one there, and I've got another one under there. There's a big one and a small one, and I've got these granite blocks here that I use, but they're heavy and I'm struggling to get them out of there. That's pretty even all over. It doesn't mean anything because the liquid's spreading everywhere, and that's not saying that's when it's finished. But I'll wipe that off now and continue.